When you connect it to the FeiyuTech app, you just click to connect it. It's got Bluetooth, it's gonna connect right away. And you can actually change what your trigger button does, like on a long press if you want it to just be like a pan tilt follow. And you can even go in and you can even move the gimbal around like this. You can also have access to the roll, which is really easy to use. I love that. You can actually see the image transmitted on this device. And also I love that you can set it so that it will actually follow the phone. So like all the information and gyroscope information on your phone, you can actually use that to get the shot. So if you're like, okay, let's get that. I want to get it right up there. Go up, pan over this way, down. Boom, boom, bah, boom, yeah. And a lot of what you see on the Scorp 2 comes in on the Scorp Mini as well, which is a great phone gimbal. You have basically just about everything that you have on the Scorp 2, except you don't have the stand-up legs, so you do need the tripod legs if you want to set this thing down. But this can support smaller mirrorless cameras with the smaller lenses, but you know, easily works with your phone, any action cameras. And I just have to say that they work really well. Like just going out and testing it, a lot of gimbals that I test on this channel, like it takes a little bit of a learning curve. This was actually really intuitive, really easy to set up and balance. Both of them are really easy to use. And I just love that little sensor on there that you can use to track yourself so you can do, you know, solo filming. And I love the design of this. I just think that it just makes it so much easier to get the shots when you have the two-hand system like that.